Hey Clouds, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome, I'm Skylar Kaylin. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys my lip care routine, which is so important to have if you're trying to avoid chapped lips all year long. Now my cosmetic line, SKY Beauty, also just came out with the perfect lip care routine set. So yeah, I'm here to tell you guys all about it, all the benefits, and just everything you need to know. I'm so excited to share this with you guys and for you guys to actually try them yourself. Let's get started. So we are offering two flavors, which is the flavors strawberry and vanilla. And you guys actually picked these flavors on my Instagram poll, and I really love these flavors because these are so bomb. Now let me just tell you a little more about them as I'm like going over them. So the lip scrubs individually and also the lip conditioners cost $12. This is what the lip scrub looks like. You can kind of see the little tiny particles of sugar that is in the lip scrubs. Now the sugar is really important for the lip scrubs because that's what does the deeply exfoliation. Now they also hydrate your lips, nourish your lips, remove the dead skin, and let that natural glow come through. So this is step 1 in your lip care routine, and then the lip conditioners are step 2 in your lip care routine, just because this is what soothes, nourishes, hydrates, and just locks in all the benefits from the first step. So these are so amazing, and there's also more information on my website about these two products. They do have so many essential oils, vitamins, and they are organic and animal cruelty free. They are just really, really awesome. And they're also made in Canada, and for those of you that don't know, Canada cosmetic laws are so much stricter and better than our cosmetic laws here in the US. So that's why I love having my makeup manufactured in Canada, just because I know it's all natural, it's all healthy, and it's really just better for you. So this is what I showed you guys the strawberry, this is what the vanilla looks like. And there's no color transfer if anyone's worried about that. So let me just give you guys a mini tutorial on how you guys use these. You're gonna wanna wash your hands or use a Q-tip, but definitely keep your hands clean if you are using your hands and your fingers, just because you don't wanna contaminate whatever you had on your hands when you're trying to heal your lips. So that's always important. And now I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe and I'm just going to, normally I wouldn't have makeup on whenever I do this, but just going to wipe off anything. I probably don't even have makeup on my lips, but just in case I might have got foundation on my lips or something like that. And I just want to make sure that they are clean and nothing's on them before I do a lip care routine. You definitely have to have clean lips and clean fingers for a lip care routine. It's just better hygiene, cleanliness, and it really does help everything just soak in even better. Okay, so as I said before, they're sold individually $12 or as sets, which include the same flavors as the lip scrub and conditioner for $20. I really want you guys to buy these as sets. That's why that's such a good price for the set. I mean, if you guys want to mix and match the flavors or the lip scrubs, maybe get 2 lip scrubs or 2 lip conditioners, and you totally can. They're just $12 individually, and yeah, the set bundle is a really good price. I definitely just recommend having a set just because that's your whole lip care routine all in one. So yeah, definitely just go check them out. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be taking strawberry just to show you guys. Now these do twist off, they're twist off caps. They do have 9 grams of product in them, and they do last so long because you don't need that much. Now I'm just taking the back of my nail because I have fake nails on, and I'm scraping it, and really that's all the product you need. So you just massage it in, and then you just rub your lips together until you can't feel the sugar anymore, until it's like completely gone, because that's when you know your lips are exfoliated, all the nutrients and benefits seep into your lips. So I made sure all the sugar was completely dissolved, and my lips feel just so nice and so smooth already, and I can feel them just like slightly getting plumper, and just they look really good now. You can kind of see that they are slightly plumped, which I love. So yeah, after that you're gonna want to take a lip conditioner, which again I'm gonna be using strawberry. You know what, actually I'm gonna switch it up and I will be using the vanilla lip conditioner just for fun. So again, same steps, you only need that much. This is very glossy. It's actually really nice if you want to put a lip liner on. We do have SKY Beauty lip liners, so hit the website up for those too, and then put the lip conditioner over it, and then it just creates like a nice glossy natural lip, which is really, really pretty. So what the lip conditioner is actually doing right now is it's rejuvenating my lips, smoothing them out, hydrating them, and just locking in all the moisture and benefits from the lip scrub and the lip conditioner. So it's really, really amazing, and my lips just feel so nice and refreshed. So now your lips will just look smooth, hydrated, and like literally flawless, especially once after you apply a lipstick, because they're just gonna look so amazing. Like I'll show you guys the next step after they soak in a little more. I do like to wait just so it like really deeply penetrates my lips. Now, this routine is so nice because you can do it in the mornings whenever you're applying your makeup, or you can do it at night whenever you're taking off your makeup. Either way, your lips are gonna look flawless whenever you apply this stuff. So yeah, let me go get a lipstick and then I will put it on and show you guys what I mean. Okay, so I grabbed Sky, which is my bright mauve from SKY Beauty, and let me just zoom in on my lips right now so you can see the before the lipstick. They just look really healthy, really smooth, very glowing. Like, I haven't seen my lips look like my natural lip color in so long, but I mean, this weather's been crazy. So yeah, let's apply the lipstick and see what happens. Okay, so now you see the lipstick, it just lays on so nicely. It's so easy to glide on, and then my lips don't look dry and crackly, and they just look really nice, smooth, and youthful and rejuvenated. I've always loved products like these and I would use them all the time, so of course I had to add them to my own cosmetic line, and I'm so excited for you guys to try them because I know you guys are gonna love them too, especially if you guys haven't tried them before. You definitely want to try them now because these are amazing prices, and the set's a good deal. So yeah, go check out SKY Beauty at www.skybeautyco.org. I promise you guys you're gonna love them, and you can always review them on Instagram and be shouted out for your reviews. So yeah, don't forget to do that. Just hashtag SKYBeautyCo. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys learned a few tricks. Let me know what you guys thought of today's video in the comments down below, or by giving it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to subscribe to the Sky family, because every sky needs their clouds. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye! Next Wednesday.